One animal species that we talk a lot about is the gopher tortoise, for example. And this is a ground-dwelling tortoise. It digs burrows below the ground, and it's what we consider to be a keystone species. So many other creatures are reliant on this, this animal to be in existence. And they're reliant on it because these burrows that it creates provide refuge, in part during either hot conditions or fire conditions, right? And so when they've scoped these things, they've actually sent scopes down into these burrows, and it's like the UN of the animal kingdom. I mean, there's insects down there, there's snakes down there, there's little mice down there. Everybody's hanging out in these burrows, so they're really important to every other creature that exists out there in these ecosystems. But these, if you think about them, they're tortoises, right? And so they're not nimble creatures. They can't get up high to get to their food. And so if in the absence of fire, you begin to allow the vegetation to grow up, those berries and fruit that they might otherwise eat are now out of reach of this animal. You think about woody plants start to invade. You start to change the habitat for this animal. It's not able to survive very well. It's not creating all the burrows, and the rest of the system begins to collapse. So that's an ecological example of if we get in there and prescribe burn and maintain these fires out there on their natural frequency, we keep a healthy ecosystem.